Yeah, we got a couple more problems here left. Let's check this one out. We have, I don't know if we've done one like this or not. All right, what's going on here? X cubed minus 8 over x minus 2. We got the difference of two cubes there up in the numerator. So remember, we'll use a different color. How about green? What the heck? Well, I'm having a hard time getting green to come up. We got lime green. Remember, this can be written as x cubed minus 2 cubed. Okay, so we gotta keep that in mind. Now, remember, this was we're factoring binomials in the binomial section. So we're going to say x minus 2. This was kind of one of those ones you had to remember how to do. And until we get to division of polynomials, anyway, we can show why this is true. We have x minus 2, then we have x squared. That's a minus, we use plus, and then 2x, 2 times x, and then plus 2 squared, which is 4. Okay? And that's all over x minus 2. So at this point, it should be pretty easy to see that we have an x minus 2 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. So they're going to cancel out, and we are going to have x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay? Pretty easy. Should be anyway, or getting easier. All right, one more for this section here. We have 27 x cubed, at least one more for right now, minus 1 over 6x squared plus 4x minus 2. We have the difference of 2 cubes up in the numerator. Let's rewrite that. So this can be rewritten as 3x quantity cubed minus 1 cubed. 1 cubed is just 1 times 1 times 1. Okay? And that's all over. Let's factor a 2 out of each one of these terms here. So that's going to give us 2 times x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, we always want to do that. Factor out what we can. There. Now we got that difference of 2 cubes. We just got through working a problem now. It was the difference of 2 cubed. Okay. So we're going to have 3x minus 1 times, what do? We square this number here. This becomes 9x squared. Okay, it's a minus, so we use plus. 3x times 1 is just 3x. And minus 1 squared is just plus 1. We always square that last term. And this is all over. Now, we're going to need to factor this piece right here, or at least attempt to. I mean, it may not factor. Who knows? All right, let's take a look at this. We got a minus 1 there. So it has to be a 1 and a 1. We got no other choice on this. And because it's a negative or a minus 1, one of them is going to be, wait a minute. Wait a second. Something is not right. What did I do? 6x squared plus 4x minus 2. I factored I knew there was something fishy in Denmark. There should be a 3 right there. Whoa. How does that change the problem? Quite a little bit. I tell you what, I'm really... Got to watch this stuff. I'm doing half these problems on the fly, so I don't really have them worked out. Okay, that should be right there. Something fishy in Denmark. Okay. Where does that come from? Alright. 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So 3x times 1 is 3x minus x. Yep, I think that's a minus, and that's going to be a plus. There we go. We found the fish in Denmark. He was just swimming under the bridge. Okay. We got a 3x minus 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. So those are going to cancel out. Let's go ahead and rewrite. We have 9x squared plus 3x plus 1. It's all over 2 times x plus 1. Yeah, that's it. I think you should pretty much get in the hang of this stuff. All right, you got that? Anyway, you ought to be getting the hang of it by now on this reducing rational expressions. We're moving on to bigger and better things. And I can't remember what we're doing next. I think we're multiplying and dividing rational expressions. We're going to add and subtract them or something like that. Anyway, all right, see you over there at the website. Bye.